Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear all history on Trust Wallet. So if you want to clear all history on Trust Wallet app, as I can get it done, you have to open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Then you input your passcode or your Face ID. Once you do that, then you tap on Discover. Once you tap on Discover, then you tap on the three dot icon at the right top corner. You tap on it and you tap on history. Then from here, if you have any form of history on this particular app, you find it here. Then you just tap on this delete icon, the faded button, the faded delete icon at the right top corner. You tap on it, you select all the history, then you tap on it, delete, then you delete all the history. And that's how to delete history on Trust Wallet. If you find the video helpful, I can follow for more. Thank you.